Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great and in good health. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we're all about learning new skills, staying motivated, and growing in life. Whether you're looking to improve yourself personally or professionally, you're in the right place. So, let's learn, grow, and achieve success together. Our today's class topic is blogging for Pakistani students, a complete step-by-step guide to creating a blog and earning via Adsterra. So let's start without wasting our time. Blogging involves creating and managing a website where you share content on a specific topic to engage an audience. It's a powerful tool for self-expression, skill building, and earning passive income. Blogging is ideal for Pakistani students because it has a low cost with free platforms and tools making it accessible, a global reach to share ideas with audiences worldwide, skill development that enhances writing, SEO, and digital marketing skills, and earning potential through monetization via ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step guide to creating a free blog. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Select a niche you're passionate about and has monetization potential. Here are 10 viral niches for Pakistani bloggers: tech reviews, education and exam tips, personal finance, health and fitness, beauty and skincare, freelancing, travel guides, food and recipes, entertainment and Islamic content. Step 2. Pick a free blogging platform. You can choose from WordPress.com, Blogger, or Wix. Step 3. Register a domain name. You can use a free subdomain or invest in a custom domain via Namecheap. Step 4. Customize your blog by choosing a simple, mobile responsive theme, adding essential pages, and organizing categories. Step 5. Create high-quality content by writing 5 to 10 posts before launching, focusing on solving problems, and using free tools like Grammarly, Canva, and Unsplash. Step 6. Optimize for SEO by using keywords in titles, headers, and meta descriptions, internal linking, and submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console. Step 7. Promote your blog by sharing posts on social media, collaborating with influencers, and engaging in forums. Now let's talk about monetizing your blog with Adsterra. Step 1. Sign up on Adsterra and create a publisher account. Step 2. Get approved by ensuring your blog has original content and complies with Adsterra's policies. Step 3. Generate ad codes by choosing ad formats like pop-unders, banners, or native ads. Step 4. Place ads strategically using above-the-fold placements and testing placements with A/B testing. Step 5. Track earnings using Adsterra's dashboard and withdraw via PayPal, bank transfer, or crypto. Here are some tricks to multiply your earnings. Diversify income by combining Adsterra with affiliate programs. Boost traffic using Pinterest and TikTok. Utilize email marketing. Optimize for SEO. Use high RPM ads during peak traffic hours. Localize content. Repurpose content. Collaborate with brands. Analyze data. And maintain consistency by posting regularly. Finally, avoid clickbait. Stay updated on Google algorithm changes and join Pakistani blogging communities for support. Start today. Your blog could be the next big success story. Don't forget to join us on WhatsApp community, link is in the description. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.